Zhengzhou AOMG Machinery Equipment Company Limited covers an area of over 100 acres, with newly built modern production workshops totaling more than 30,000 square meters and a 1,000 square meter R&D center located in Zhengzhou. To provide more professional and efficient service to customers, the company has comprehensively upgraded and improved its electrical automation control systems and has formally established an electrical department. The company possesses independent management and import-export rights and has successively obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, and China Compulsory certification. Additionally, it has been awarded titles such as Kaifeng Specialized and New Cultivated Enterprise, Contract Abiding and Credit Reliable Enterprise, and AAA Credit Enterprise for several consecutive years. AOMG primarily focuses on two main sectors: grain and food processing machinery and storage and logistics equipment. The company provides grain material handling solutions for food processing factories, including the receiving, storing, batching, mixing, and conveying of powdered materials. We specialize in process design, product equipment development, manufacturing, installation, and turnkey projects with PLC automation control systems for noodle factories, instant noodle factories, flour mills, and various food processing factory. Currently, leading food factories in China, such as Mastercom, Jinshahe, Conveying, and Henan Xiangnian, are all long-term partners of our company. AOMG engages in the development and production of large-scale integrated storage and logistics equipment and provides MEC general contracting services. We have long supplied China Grain Reserves Group and local grain depots with supporting equipment for receiving, conveying, cleaning, dust removal, warehousing, and distribution. Market-oriented and committed to high-quality standards, we employ advanced design concepts and dedicated research to meticulously create tailored professional equipment for clients. Some of the equipment, including air cushion belt conveyors, multi-point discharge belt conveyors, bucket elevators, scraper conveyors, screw conveyors, high-low pressure pulse dust collectors, insertion dust collectors, vibrating silo discharger, sampling machines have been selected for the China Grain Reserves procurement platform. Our products are sold to multiple countries around the world, including Australia, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, and etc. A good product not only needs to withstand scrutiny, but also requires innovative manufacturing. High precision and advanced processing equipment is essential for ensuring product quality. Additionally, excellent product design and advanced manufacturing processes further enhance the creation of high-quality products. The company adheres to the business philosophy of focusing on quality and providing attentive service, offering high-quality, safe, advanced, and mature technology, products, and services to our customers. We assign professional service personnel to each client throughout the pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales processes to address various issues promptly, efficiently, and diligently. We are committed to providing excellent service to every customer. From R&D to production, and from quality inspection to delivery, every product embodies our expertise and craftsmanship. We rigorously control each process to ensure that our customers can use our products with confidence and peace of mind. Now, we strive to create. In the future, we are full of confidence. Zhengzhou AOMG Machinery Equipment Company Limited.